Hi, welcome to the Dataminer Learning Center. In this video, we'll be covering the page action, click on all elements. This action is designed to click on every button available on a page. This action is not designed to navigate pages. You'll need to perform a crawl for that, and we have videos that cover the crawl under our crawl section. One other thing to be aware of is page actions do require a paid plan. Luckily, all of our plans give you access to every feature, so once you sign up, you'll be able to use any from the dropdown. That said, let's go ahead and jump right in. To get to the page actions, you'll need to open up Recipe Creator and go to the Page tab. From here, I'll be using the Do These Before Scraping the Page. From the dropdown, I'll choose Click on All Elements. The next step is to identify the element. You only need to do one as an example. I'll click the Advanced Finder button, and then I'll hover and I'll shift over the first item. You'll then have to identify the element within Recipe Creator. I'll choose the class Email button. If you have any issues identifying the element, I recommend taking a look at our Advanced Finder tutorial. We have many tricks and tips on how to identify an element in that video. Then I'll click Confirm. Once you identify the element, you'll then have to click OK. If you save the recipe and don't click OK, the action will not be saved. Once you've saved it, click Test It. As you can see, one by one, each button is being clicked to reveal an email. The process might go a little slow because Dataminer is designed to mimic human activity. This helps prevent bot detection. The next step would be to go to the Scrape tab and build your rows and build the column that captures the email. Once that's done, you can save your recipe, and the next time you run it, it will click every button and then scrape the data. If you have any questions, please email us at support@dataminer.io. Thanks for watching.